Hey, what is up everybody? Mark here again. This time I'm here to show you how to make that same Christmas ornament I made earlier today, but using Inkscape. Now bear with me because I literally just taught myself this, so I may be a little clunky as I go, but we'll get there in just a couple of minutes. So the first thing we're going to do is use the circle shape right here, and we're going to draw out a circle, and we're going to hold the control button, at least on a Mac, I'm going to hold the control button down while I do that. And right now I don't care about the size because we're just talking about how to do it. You guys can make whatever size you like. Once I got the circle out, I'm going to right click or secondary click and I'm going to go to duplicate right here. But now I've got two circles right on top of each other, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to resize the one that's on top by holding shift down as I drag that thing right there, the arrows. And right now it's sitting right here, but I can't see it. So I'm going to change it to red so I can see it. And make it whatever size you want so that this outline is the size you want for the outline of your ornament to be. Let's just say that's what I want. I'm going to go ahead and select both of these. I'm going to go up to Path, and I'm going to click Exclusion. So that way it's going to cut out the middle there, that middle shape, and leave this outer shape. So now I've got this ring. Next thing I'll do is add the little thing on top where we're going to put our hole to hang it from. So once again, I'll go ahead and hold down Control and I'll make a circle and I'll put that where I want it. You can change it to black if you want. I'm not going to worry about it for now. So just put it right there. Select both objects again by holding Shift and clicking on it, and then go to Union, and now it's going to make this all one piece. And then the last thing we need for this part is to make the hole that's going to go in there. So you make whatever size circle you want for the hole and put it where you want it to be. Again, select both items, go to Path and Exclusion. You can use the shortcuts if you want, but I just wanted you to see this here, so Exclusion. And now we've got that. Then all we have left to do is type out the words that you want in here. Again, I'll use the wonderful hello that I used earlier, and I'll go over here and I'm going to type Mentari, because that's the one I want to use, and apply, and then resize this to whatever size you want, and we'll go something like this maybe, probably a little too big. Yeah, it's a little too big. Make it a little smaller just so it touches the edges. Still a little too big. So something along that neighborhood there. We'll just say that's good. Now we have to do two things. The first thing is to keep this selected and go up here and go to Object to Path. Now, when I first was trying to learn this, and maybe this is the wrong way to do it, but this is how I've learned, I didn't realize that it had actually changed this until I were to double click, or actually click away, and then now I can click on each one of these. You see that? So the next thing we need to do then is we need to click on each one of these, select all 5 letters, and then also select the outline here as well. So we've got everything selected. And then we're going to go to Path and Union to bring it all together. So now it is all connected as one, and you've got your ornament. I hope that helps, guys. Have fun, and I'll see you in the next one.